All right, hey, what's up, y'all? So sitting out here in the beautiful daylight, and I wanted to talk about the best time to get sun. All right, because getting sun exposure is extremely healthful. All right, we've all heard about the benefits of vitamin D synthesis at the level of the skin, but there's a synergy of health benefits that come from sun exposure, and we just want to make sure that we're doing it the right way. So the best time to get sun exposure, contrary to conventional wisdom, is actually during the peak sun hours of the day, usually between 10 and 2 p.m. And this is because we're getting a broad spectrum of UVB to UVA radiation. What's dangerous is just getting UVA radiation, which usually happens if you're only getting morning sun or only getting evening sun or only getting sun with a sunscreen, which does really well at blocking out UVB, but not UVA. UVA can be damaging over the long term. That's what gives us damaging skin and also contributes to melanomas. All right, so again, the best time of day to get sun exposure is going to be between 10 and 2 because you're getting a broad spectrum. Ideally, what you're doing is you're getting a little bit of sun in the morning, giving your body a signal of what's to come for the day. You get about 10 to 15 minutes of direct sun exposure somewhere around the midday, 10 to 2. I like to face the sun for 5 minutes. I actually time it around noon, and then I turn around and get another 5 minutes. And then you want to finish the day with a little bit of sun on an evening walk, because then you're telling your body to wind down for circadian rhythms and get some good sleep in, all right? So the strategy for getting some good midday sun would be build up your tolerance most days. Build up that beautiful tan. Get outside for 10 to 15 minutes most days, direct sun exposure between 10 and 2. And again, I like to face the sun for about 5 minutes, face away from the sun for about 5 minutes, and then allow myself to go on walks with my shirt off and go to the pool and things like that. But then have some common sense about it. Make sure that when you feel things getting a little bit hot, your second strategy is going to be covering up. Having a hat, having a long sleeve shirt. Usually the angle of the sun is not hitting my legs like it is the top of my body, so I always carry around a long sleeve protective shirt just in case. But the best strategy is going to be build your tolerance, build your tan. It makes you look good and it's healthy for you. And then have some clothing that you can cover up with or get into the shade. That's going to be the best way to do this whole thing. But if needed, you also want to have a sunscreen available just in case. If you're in those situations where you can't get out of the sun for an extended period of time, or if you have really fair skin and you know you just want to have that stuff available, having an option like some mineral-based sunscreen lotions is going to be great just in case, okay? So again, tremendous health benefits that come from getting direct sun exposure. 10 to 15 minutes in the peak hours of the day between 10 and 2. Build up your tolerance, build up your beautiful tan, have some clothing, be smart, get in the shade when necessary, and as a last resort, have some sunscreen available just in case. All right, we'll see you guys here soon.